Hey, what's up, Digibyte holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about Digibyte coin. What's the current price of Digibyte? What's the price in so in the Digibyte? What will be the next move of Digibyte, my friends? And you know what, my friends? A lot of people ask me questions about Digibyte, that when will the price of DGB coin is going to increase, my friends. So keep watch this video for more details and remember to subscribe AVS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. At this time, the latest price of the DGB coin is 0.057489 USD dollar. Is the latest price of the SEO coin in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we talk about the price changes of the SEO coin, so now at this time from the yesterday, the price of the SEO coin is going positive and they're going very good, my friends, very well. I like it. But my friends, you know what, in a previous time the change is going very wrong in a DGB coin, so that is why the people want to satisfy herself from the next news about a DGB coin, that is the price pump or not. They want to satisfy herself. My friends, at this time the last 1 month price chart on the screen, and everyone can understand from this chart that the price of DGB coin is completely fast down in the last 30 days, my friends. So this means if the price is fast down in the last 1 month, so that's mean that you are in the loss. So if you decide to sell on this price, so you are in the loss, and that is why I recommend for everyone to please don't decide to sell. It's time to hold, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.